Imagine earning over $100,000 in a single month from a simple YouTube channel. That's more than 2 crore Pakistani rupees in monthly revenue. Now take a look at this channel. Just 2 months ago, this creator uploaded a video that gained over 57 million views. Another one reached 21 million views, then 13 million views, then 11 million views. The craziest part? This creator has uploaded only around 74 videos and has already generated well over 150 million total views. The channel has only around 72,000 subscribers, yet its estimated monthly earnings are over $102,000. Whether the estimate is 100% accurate or not doesn't really matter. One thing is obvious, this creator is making serious money. So what type of content are they creating? These are simple animated videos designed for kids. The videos feature colorful monster shapes with funny teeth, strange expressions, and satisfying actions where they spit out objects, interact with shapes, and then eat them. It sounds weird, but children in English speaking countries absolutely love this type of content. That's why these videos receive millions of views. Normally, creating animations like these requires professional software such as Blender. You would need to spend months learning animation, modeling, lighting, rendering, and editing. But today, I'm going to show you a much easier method. Instead of spending months learning animation, we are going to use AI tools to create the same style of videos quickly and easily. I've already done all the hard work, tested everything, and prepared the complete workflow for you. Before we begin, make sure you like this video and share it with your friends. Now let's get started. First, go to the link in the video description. When you open the page, you will see a thumbnail at the top. Scroll down until you find the master prompt that I created specifically to make your work easier. Simply click the copy text button and copy the entire prompt. Now open ChatGPT, Claude, or any AI chatbot of your choice. Paste the master prompt into the chat box and send it. Within seconds, the AI will start generating unique video ideas. As you can see, it generated multiple ideas for us. Each idea includes a video title, main monster shapes, character colors, objects they will spit out, story details, animation actions. For example, one idea might include a pink hexagon monster, a circle monster, and a star monster. If you don't like the first set of ideas, simply ask the AI for more ideas. Type more ideas several times and keep generating fresh concepts until you find something unique. I actually recommend doing this because many people may use the same prompt. Generating additional ideas will help your content stand out. Once you have selected an idea, save it somewhere because you'll use it throughout the video creation process. Now pay close attention. The AI generates several prompts for each idea. The first prompt is the starting frame image prompt. This prompt describes exactly how the scene should look, where the monsters are standing, their positions, their colors, their expressions, the environment. After that, you'll see multiple motion prompts. These motion prompts control what happens in the video, including character actions, object movement, camera movement, sound effects, animation behavior. Now let's create the starting image. Copy the starting frame image prompt. You can use Google Flow if you want, but I personally recommend Leonardo AI because it gives better results for this type of content. Inside Leonardo AI, select either Phoenix 1.0, Flux Dev, both work well. Next, set style to dynamic, set contrast to medium or high, set image ratio to 9 to 16. Generate 4 images. Paste your starting frame prompt and click generate. Within a few moments, Leonardo AI will create several images. As you can see, the results are excellent. The monster shapes appear exactly as described, and the overall quality is perfect for our project. Google Flow also produces good results, but for this specific niche, Leonardo AI usually delivers better images. Now choose your favorite image and download it. You only need one image. Next, we'll turn that image into a video. go to Google Flow. If you're using the free plan, Google Flow provides daily credits that allow you to create videos without spending money. Click the upload button and upload the image you downloaded from Leonardo AI. Now return to ChatGPT. Ignore the starting frame prompt. Instead, copy the first motion prompt. Go back to Google Flow and paste the motion prompt into the prompt box. Then select video generation, choose video plus frames, set aspect ratio to 9 to 16, select VO 3.1, light or Omni flash. Now click generate. After a short wait, your first video clip will be ready. As you can see, the monsters perform the exact action described in the prompt. In this example, each monster spits out a colored star from its mouth and throws it onto the ground. Now here's the important part. Watch the generated clip until the end. Pause at the final frame and save that frame. This ending frame becomes the starting point for your next animation. Upload that ending frame back into Google Flow. Then copy the second motion prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it into Google Flow and generate the next clip. Now the AI continues the story naturally from where the previous clip ended. Repeat the same process for the third and fourth motion prompts. Each clip continues from the previous one, creating a complete animated sequence. Finally, combine all the clips together using any video editor. You can use 2 clips, 3 clips, or all 4 clips depending on the length you want. Once combined, you'll have a complete AI generated kids animation video ready to upload to YouTube. And the best part, you didn't need Blender, you didn't need animation skills, you didn't need expensive software. Everything was created using AI. Kids love watching this type of content, especially in English speaking countries, which gives you the opportunity to attract international views and potentially build a profitable YouTube channel. Now it's your turn. Follow the exact steps I showed you, create your first video, and start uploading consistently. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. I'll see you in the next one.